Hello? Kids, how are you? Hello? Hey, kids, I mean no harm, okay? So why are you people coming back from school by this time of the day?
Our teacher sent us out of the class because we didn't pay our school fees.
What? You mean your teacher sent you out of school because of school fees? What if anything, trouble, maybe something harmful happened to you people?
I don't know. Azuka, let's go.
Don't worry, eh? Okay, I think I have some money I can give to you people so that you go back to school and pay your school fees. Still not be roaming about in the street. You hear me?
No. Our mother will kill us if we take that money.
No, I mean no harm. I'm just trying to render help.
Azuka.
Hey! Hello? I see, let me
Azuka, let's go.
Hey, don't you want us to pay our school fees?
Let's go.
You two want to go back to school?
Yes.
You want to go back home and be playing around?
No.
Okay. So you just take this 10,000 naira so that you can go and pay your school fee. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, take it.
Azuka! Mama! Mama, Azuka!
Azuka! Azuka! My daughter, somebody help me! Everybody come! God be punished this mercy! Oh God! What will I do? You couldn't take care of your sister! Your younger sister, you couldn't take care of your sister! What will I do? What will I do now? Oh! That's I want you. Are you mad?
See, happiness, let me tell you. Either you kill me today and bury me, or I kill you.
You bury me. You bury me. Give me money. Give me Get it! Why you push me? What is it? Why are you eating my son? If I kick you now, if I kick you with this my left leg, that you die. You dead here, they watch him. They beat my son. Instead of you to separate them as a good mother, you just say they enjoy the fight, like saying that two adults they fight. No, I not go watch him. Now spy, I go spy. I'm on a satellite dish. I go take look them. Yeah, Ebu. Now thunder, whining thunder, turning thunder. May it strike you dead for not training this thing that looks like expired geisha. You are not very well. Look at this Lori book on jati. Where God go help me punish the call thunder. That thunder where you call, make it turn like this from east and west. Gather better weight, hit you back and sink you like this. You dey mad me? Yes, sir. No, you dey mad me? Yes, sir. Listen, make I tell you. You, especially you, happiness. You dey beat my son, and you be mugu. They beat you. Woman, they put you for ground. You dey there, they look up. The next time you go try this nonsense, wait. Come on, get out. I go kick you down. Get out. No, you don't see me now. You don't get power. Should be not be you, one woman, put for ground, climb on top the beat. Correct. You don't get sense. Abi, make I tell you. What's happen? Happiness. Stay away from my son. Tell me. Stay away from my son. So what's going to happen? You no go like what's going to happen. Make I hear what? Especially you where they support evil. You see two children they fight. Instead make you separate them. You dey here they dance. Two children when they fight they give you happiness. Abi. No, they give you joy. Abi. You too sing. Listen to me. Now God go judge you. Now Satan go judge you. You see you like this. Now Satan go judge God, you. God where they judge good and bad. Now you go judge. Now Satan go judge you. You hear me now? And on your judgment the rain go fall. Rain will beat you and beat your whole generation. Rain means as for you. Rain means a good thing won't happen. As for you, Mumu, you cannot fight this one. This one that look like Puff Puff that is not done yet. You cannot beat him. My dear, next time when you two are fighting, you see his esophagus, draw it. Draw his eyelash. Anything you see, his earlobe, draw. Yo, yes, scatter him. Beat him, excavate him, uproot him, unwatch him, dilute him. Yes, sir, you're my Igbo. Yes, sir. No, yes, sir, you're my Igbo. Yes, sir. No problem. Now you be the mugu. Because if you get sense, if it no happen. If it no happen. Come on. Come on. He don't do, oh. He don't do, Samo. He don't do. He don't do. Now me they talk to you. Not they disrespect your mother before people. He don't do.
Yes, sir.
I said that God go judge you.
He said that
No,
the devil
go
go judge you.
Wetin go make God no judge you? It never happen.
Devil go judge you.
I say wetin go make God no judge you for this compound?
I said the day when they go judge you, rain go fall.
Happiness. No dey follow your mama. No dey follow your mama footstep. Your mama footstep go lead you to hellfire.
Go to your house, go to your house.
No dey follow her footstep.
Go to your house,
You be woman o.
Go to your house. Go to your house.
I don talk my own.
Look at that. Nonsense. As for you, Onyala, is that how to fight? Is that how I taught you to fight? What is that blow? So you cannot give him correct blow. That you set your blow very well. Blow him, yeah. See, remove everything that makes him a man. You were just fighting and say, what kind of fight is that one? Eh? After eating all my akpu, eating all my food in the house, you cannot set correct blow. Go and bring my slippers. As you are going inside now, you are starting training. If you go to boxing school, you are boxing. Down with the slippers, that boy is heavy. See how you are blowing him. As if two of you are playing Ludo. Look at her head. Go inside the house. See, let me. You cannot even give him correct snake in the monkey shadow. Pull out his eyes. Excavate everything that makes him a man.
You know insult him, you know curse him. She beat you like a child of a nobody like this.
I did not do anything, no. I was on my own.
Happiness, get mine, do this to you, my son. I dey talk, I dey ask you.
Yes, Mama.
Mama, she even beat me the other day.
Bola, you too. Happiness beat you too. And you don't tell me until now. Happiness is like Oteyawere. Okay. You know what? Stop crying. Take your sister inside. I want to go and meet Happiness. Make I know whether she don't turn to Panebita.
Happiness. So happy one. Then you're fine. Very good. Now you appear like the daughter of Enki baby. See, when I was young, I was a wrestler. If you see me fighting in my village. But today, you showed me that I gave birth to you. In fact, I have changed your name. I have changed your name from Happiness to Anthony Joshua, the boxer. But we are going to give you the female version, Antonia Joshua. Happy one! Name 5 for that. Forget that gra I was doing as I was saying you are not fighting well. You tried. But next time, you see that blow that you gave to him. In fact, don't double it, triple it. In fact, quadruple it. In fact, trillion it, my dear. Beat Shaggy out of his life. Mom! Today, you told me that a lion does not give birth to a goat. In fact, I give birth to you. I'm proud to know you, my daughter. Chai! Today's old sweetie.
Hey, Mommy. Where is Victory?
I think she's inside. Get him as die her friend.
Victory!
What is it?
Victory! See this girl. Where is this girl?
Which of her
Victory! I'm talking to you, okay? What are you doing? Come and stay here.
Gene, what is it?
She know that your stupid friend. Go and warn him. Else, the day I'll beat that boy, I will bust his eye. I will less him like tire.
Yeah,
so go and warn him, warn him. I know he's your friend now, so it's better you go and tell him yourself.
But Happiness, it's more better you live somewhere alone. It's just a child.
You say, no. Yeah. Asim gave this. I said, come here. No, there, open your teeth. See, if I conk this your teeth, if I conk it, Maba say, you will not even at 30. You have only 2 front teeth. Which child? Your child. That one, or Papa Yongi, Gina poor child. Himself and his mother, they are old people. The mother is the grandmother in their coven, witchcraft. Then the boy, that one that you are calling a small boy, is the godfather. Forget their body. They are old inside. Old people. That is what they are inside. You are calling them. Let me warn you. Don't you ever go close to that Samuel again. If not, the mother will eat you. Have you heard me?
Drag your ear. Drag your ear.
Why are you doing as if I'm suffering you? You are smile. Ask him this smile before I slap you.
Onyala, you better warn him. I'm not his aid mate. I don't want to play with him.
Are you eyeing her?
You're looking at me like that, eh? Yeah. You think I'm somewhere?
Mommy,
let me just
sit down, no. So of you to be training on how your next fight is going to be.
Let me train with that.
Train with who? With Wechi. Tomorrow, I am carrying you to Taekwondo school, boxing school. I need you to enhance that boxing.
Okay, mommy.
If you see the mother, if she tries you, the first blow your master will teach you in school. Give her that blow.
Mommy, so let me try to tap.
See. If I blow you now, you sit down here.
I want to
You want to beat my child? Do you know how long I carried her in my stomach? This one that does like leke that does not have strength. Now sit down there. It's okay, don't use your sister to practice. If Samuel, use him to practice. If he does not even look for your trouble, slap him. You know, go. Go inside. I say go inside now before I turn you to Gary.
Where is that Omale? Come Happiness. Happiness, come out and carry the cups where you kill. Happiness, you better come out and carry the cups where you kill.
Who is this tiger?
You better come out and see waiting your son, waiting your daughter, your foolish daughter where you don't train well. See the wood where you give my son. So what? Wait till I carry him come here and make she for come carry him go treats.
Does this place look like a chemist to you? Does this place look like a hospital to you? And Majugebo, I am asking you. Does this place look like a chemist?
See what your daughter's cost.
See, you.
See what your daughter's cost.
You, if I dismantle you, your eye will not locate your ears.
You go dismantle him in front of me.
I go kill
her. No, you go dismantle him in front of me. You see me stand here, they talk say you go dismantle my son. You go first dismantle me. I say I go uproot you. I go uproot you.
See,
Happiness, come out and sir.
If I slap you.
Happiness.
Yeah, if I tear you back and slap.
Yeah. Wait till I just hear you talk now.
Baby cockroach.
No. Wait till I just hear you now. Shut up. No, wait till I just hear you talk now.
Auntie,
you go slap me.
I said I go slap you.
Ikiru, I say you are mannerless. I say you are very senseless. And you are a raving madman. You know where though?
Like because it's upon your mother. It is your mother that
is that you. It is your mother. You be your mother that is that you. You be your
mother.
Thank you.
Gbà mí o gbogbo ẹrùn ọmọ ló pọ́n bí kíní yìí. See this child having temperature and all his neck is Ebun, I did not bring you from the west to this eastern part for you to be fighting my neighbor's wife. Benny, I did not.
Wait. Taiwo, waiting that one come me. No, you dey try to blame me now. No, wait, you expect me to fold my hands and watch another woman's pikin kill my only son? No, kill my son. Oti, that can never be done. Instead, let the worst that will happen.
I should let the worst happen.
Yes, so.
Let
it happen.
You don't know what is happening now because the worst has happened, Benny. And for this singular act that you have done, Ebun, despite the fact that you are my wife, that you've not followed my order, any treatment I am going to conduct on my son, you must pay me that money, Ebun.
But Papa, it's Happiness that look for my trouble.
Tell him, tell him, you can hear your father blaming me. You dey shock me. I just dey hear they look whether na you dey talk true from your mouth. I mean, na your spirit they follow you, they speak like this. Because this thing no be like waiting person wey call himself my husband suppose dey talk.
Na
so no make I ask you.
When you are flattering my doors.
You expect my son no be say na girl be this so. Na boy to run enter back inside my stomach, inside my womb. Because say they hide from Happiness, common girl, ordinary girl. Oti. Taiwo, Oti.
Tẹ́tí gbọ́ mi. Yeah, my wife, listen to me very well. See, henceforth, I don't want you to have anything to do with Osondu's family at all.
I know they find them go.
Don't go near their apartment again.
Go there. Nothing concern me and them.
Stay in your house.
Make they know they beat my son.
No, but if your son did not go there, nobody would beat him.
They even beat Bola too.
Oh, no, Bola?
Yes.
Oda, Maori. Don't go there again. Then let me see the person that will come and lay hands on my children.
Tell me say make I know they go there. I know they go there.
Papa, that means Happiness will not be my friend.
That is it now.
Yes. If happiness will no longer be your friend, then you have your younger sister Bola. You have your sister who is there. Which friend are you looking for again? Baba Bola sore. The body at school to kawe ke sore. If you come back from school, you read your book, you play together, and you go inside your house.
Yes, sir.
So jam mix ogun. Let me mix drug for you.
I don't understand. That Ebu came in front of my house to challenge you, and you let her go free like that without killing her.
He said the light. Mwa. Nkiru left. Hey, my dear, you don't need to bother yourself. Happiness and I threw her punches that will change the setting of her brain for the rest of her life. Is he left? Moa left. You should know me now.
That's good to know now. But notwithstanding, I'm still going to warn Taiwo. Yes! If he does not warn his wife to stop this behavior, I will do the unimaginable.
No. Haporum this fight. Leave this fight for me. This fight is between myself and Ebu. It's woman to woman fight. I cannot lose sleep because of Ebu now.
No, babe, what I'm saying is that to be won is to be armed. They cannot come from one foreign land and come to my own land. Not just my land, my community. And come and disturb my peace.
If Ebu likes, let her be food. If they serve me 10 plates, I will finish it. Okay, Ebu, just happier. Calm down. I will take care of issues. Now, cool down. Leave your wife. Have you forgotten?
No, but
No, have you forgotten?
I trust you.
Thank you very much. Cool down.
What kind of nonsense woman is this?
You call Ebu.
Huh?
Ebu. What Mama Yongi? That will not allow somebody to rest.
I wish I was there, so we'll just drag her inside.
And do what?
Taiwo, you have to warn your wife. Warn her never to insult my wife again. They're not mates. Please warn her.
Oga, we also do. But Oga, please, don't be angry. Then, Emma, I've scolded Ebu. Yes, I've scolded her. Although, Oga Osondu, you see, this is an issue between children that should not cause enmity between us. Please, I am very sorry. Please.
Nevertheless, warn her never to repeat herself again. I know I'm telling you this, my wife is very dangerous. She's a tigress. Left to her, she would have just torn your wife apart. Warn her.
Oga Osondu, we shouldn't allow flimsy issues to cause problems between us. Please, I am very, very, very sorry. At least considering these years of neighborhood, we are together here. Àwọn Yorùbá ní pé tewé bá pẹ́ lára ọṣẹ, ìmọ̀ ń dọṣẹ ni. When soap stay much longer with leaf, both of them becomes one. We are one in this neighborhood. Please don't be angry.
Just warn her. Please, warn her.
I will.
I don't want this to repeat itself again.
It will not repeat itself again.
Okay.
Oga Osondu. Ẹja lọ sọ́dọ̀ Nzekwe ká lọ gbàgò kankan ká fi step down. Let us go to Nzekwe's place and go and step down small.
Step down what?
Ká lọ gba kàràkútà kan ká fi sarabẹ́lẹ̀.
Taiwo, I'm very tired. I need to go inside and rest.
Oga Osondu.
Maybe next time.
I don't have that strength now.
Oga Osondu.
Just warn her. Warn her, please.
I will. Olórí ogun bàbá iyì pọ̀ Oga Osondu. Respect wà lè bàbá mi. Ọmọdé wọ̀nyí. Samu.
Nwanne m rapụ okwu enwere ife eji okwu n'oke eme. Allow the sleeping dog to lie. Forget trouble, forget wahala. This is ultimate, yo. The wise people look for peace, yo. But foolish and selfish people, they look for war all the time. It takes me long people.
Thank you. Good morning, Owe.
This is ultimate. Oh, the wise people look for peace, yo. But foolish and selfish people, they look for war all the time. But it takes only a fool to scatter the whole nation. This is ultimate.
Any fool. Ọlọ́run ló dá you carry my
Ebu. Loma. Since when did you start packing dirt by the side of my house? Eh? See, it's not a matter of laughing because as you're seeing me here now, I'm not shining my 36 teeth. Why did you pack dirt by the side of my house? See, just be answering me as I'm talking though.
Ikiru, why do you like wahala like this? No, I'm asking, does wahala give you some kind of vitamin?
Yes,
I don't know about.
I'm vitamin K.
Because if you have sense, your mind will tell you that I am still going to pack everything. Because I'm still sweeping, I'm not done yet. Every day you'll be looking for trouble unnecessarily. You know they tire.
That is what you are saying.
Wahala no they tire.
No, boo boo, that is what you are saying. That is what you open your mouth to say. Where? See, as I'm in this house now, I'm a very godly person. They say cleanliness is next to godliness. I don't like dirty. You will not pack dirty by the side of my house and expect me to keep quiet. I will not take it, though. I will not take it. As I'm seeing you now, pack this dirty now because I don't want trouble. Hey, boo boo.
Ikiru,
Kene.
you know say your nonsense not too much for this compound.
Are you dropping broom for me?
You know because I dey keep you quiet based on the warning where my husband give me because now my husband dey respect. You can't dey think say now only you get weary. In fact my own weary pass your own.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me, Emi Omo Yoruba gangan. You wey be Omo Igbo, I go match you fire for fire.
Auntie,
thunder for thunder.
If you be weary, me I be umahia.
I say I go give you what to.
If you be weary, me I be umahia.
I do for you now.
You want to fight me?
I say Kiri, you won't do for you.
You people should go and bring coffee, no?
Yeah, me you dey comot.
Go and bring coffee. Go and bring coffee because I'm ready to give somebody.
Come on for this matter.
What you like trouble?
Come on
you
for
see
this
today,
matter.
I'm a witness to it.
Come on for this
You
matter.
like
Make
trouble?
I give this woman
Yes, I'm a
woto.
witness to it. What is it?
Don't put mouth.
You want fight me?
You want woto.
No, you want to fight me.
I say you go collect woto.
You want to fight me?
You want woto.
Leave her.
You want woto. You go collect woto. I say you go collect am.
See, idiot. I just take my bag. Why you stay behind me?
I'm just leaving you.
You say that only you get madness.
Now, I will fight you.
I go tell you, see, Emi Omo Yoruba. I know they fear anybody. Come
If
make me around do am.
I kick you now,
If I kick you, Omo jati I wetin you be.
Olori buru.
Come now, come on.
They don't like your seal. Leave her. You go no say she don't get power. Leave her.
If I just blow you for
Are you mad?
Neka one name. Neka. I called you 3 times and added one name to one of the names. Do you want to know why we are not regarded in this society?
Because why are we not regarded?
It is very simple. Because we are fearful. We are mumu. We don't have sense. We are saboteurs. And what just happened today is a clear definition of what I am talking about. Neka, what have I done to you? No, I'm asking you, what exactly have I done to you that me and this Ofe Manu will be having problems? You will come. Instead of you to talk on my side, A, you talk Z. Well, if I say A, you are supposed to say B or even say A and half.
Mechonu, keep quiet. The truth must be told. What is it you're saying that is sweet in your mouth? Look at you. You're the one who is always looking for trouble. Did you tell you should actually pack that thing in front of your house?
Hi.
Somebody that is sweeping. You like trouble. Ogini panu.
Neka, me I'm a troublemaker.
You are. Nobody has told you.
Me that like peace.
Akoko.
Neka, the day we were fighting in the market, am I not the one that settled people that were fighting?
You see?
Me, I like peace. Neka, this woman is a troublesome woman. A very dirty woman that if you put her in a toilet with a plate of food, she will comfortably sit down and finish that food. Is that the kind of person we are supposed to be mingling with?
What's your business? Nkiru, who called you? What is your business? Even if she hit inside the toilet, what is your business? Let her be.
Are we not supposed to be our brother's keeper?
If
somebody is dirty, you will tell the person that the person is dirty so that the person will change. You see the way you are giving me this free legal advice. Me self, let me give you my own. Stay away from this woman. Neka, we are one blood. One blood. If you die today, they will not bury you in Yoruba land. Okweba. This Igbo place. Neka will come and dance in your burial. You
are
know
very stupid.
Nkiru, you are mad. I'll be the one to dance in your bed because you are troublesome. Look at you talking as if you are decent. Troublesome. You are using it to wear clothes. Yes. You're saying me peacemaker. Don't deceive yourself. You are not peacemaker. You are using the trouble to wear clothes on your head to toe. You better stop all this nonsense you are doing. Let the woman be. Again, you say your sister. Is him wearing? What nonsense is that? You got my episode. Lekwano. One tintin neck. Eh? Small rat. I don't blame you. It is myself that I blame for even stooping so low to come and have conversation. Are we in the same grade? Eh? Me that went to school in city. This village girl, because I called you to come and have conversation with you. Come that fire you dear. Hey! What kind of nonsense is this? Bia? Where is that stupid woman?
Love your neighbor as she loves yourself. This is commandment of God.
See, please, try as much as you can to stay away from that idiot. You know she's troublesome. Eh?
Ine can allow you. My mama don't want me come off for this one. I no go feel run back enter her womb again because of Ikiru, because of Omoyibo. Listen to me. Anything where Ikiru want for this compound, I go stand my ground, gidigba. Give am how she want am. If na woto she want, she go collect woto.
I know.
Ha.
Wait, see.
Thank God say you day today. Because if not, na so my husband go come back, come they blame me on top of wetin I no do wrong.
Ebru, that's why you have to calm down. Next time when you are sweeping, don't go close to her side. Leave her portion alone. Because
make I even ask you, it's not even about the sweeping thing that caused this thing. I don't know why my husband dey fear Osondu and his wife Ikiru. Why you dey fear them?
No, I don't think he's scared. He's not scared of them. It's just that you understand that you people are visitors here.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, because I be visitors, make I wrong enter inside my mama womb again because I be visitors. Make I tell you the state where I come from, come here. People dey there wey be strangers. Yeah, they live there too, they hustle for their daily bread. And no be for one day anybody try to make them feel like say they be strangers. So why Ikiru go come here, come they try intimidate me? Make I tell you, as she dey form say she get were, as Omoyibo where she be, me and Omoyibo, and my were too much pass her own. He dey hear me. Anything where she want, I don't ready for her for this compound.
Calm down, I beg, Because next time if you sweep, don't even go close to her. I know you are not going to leave the dots there. Because
even Ikiru herself no say me I no go ever leave the dirty for her corner. I must pack am.
I know.
She come there insult me, they call me dirty woman.
No mind.
For waiting, say wetin happen.
Leave her.
I forgive her woto today if no be for you.
No give her.
Make she no try that nonsense with me again.
Leave her, I beg. You know say na under my skirt she hide put. She's a witch. Amusu. Because let me go and check.
No problem. I go pack am.
Stop trying medicine. Stop.
Mr. Sondo, I handed over this building to you as a caretaker. But because of the incessant report I get each time I visit, I have decided to put you and Taiwo from this compound, just to foster peace here.
Oganlo, God bless you. God bless you for this statement. See, I'm not money that we are in that sitting room. I know they fear any idiot face, any frog, any monkey, any kwikwi. I'm not. We are all adults. Nobody be picking here. You see this idiot? You see this idiot wey sit down here? She's a troublesome. She will not allow somebody to yell. This idiot! This yellow but no yellow. We don't drink water in this compound. I'm a witness to this. She will not allow Ebu to drink water. If you do, she'll do kwa. If you do, she'll do kwa. Power the idiot not get. Ma, picky. I don't want trouble. I just don't want trouble. That's why I'm just keeping quiet because of you. I'm seeing you the way you are moving your body.
Hey, I don't want to talk.
But you've rapped like 1 million rap in here now. Even Rick Ross did not rap like this. My dear, mommy, auntie Gwegwegwe, look at this old thing. Old woman, this one that they gave birth before about women's riots. Mommy Gwegwegwe. You that I'm seeing, you are a shower shop. And the shower shop that you are is alright shower shop. But you, I will lick you. No, Lord, though. You know I'm a very clean woman. You know I don't like dirt. Look at my house now. We were just here. One Yoruba just carried dirty. Dirty that she sweep in front of her house and came to pack it in my backyard. I said, no, my husband does not like dirty. We don't like dirty in our house. So, bam! This one that they did not conceal men without antenna came to join her to come and start fighting me in my own backyard. Landlord, where did I go wrong?
No, now me this someone you will sit down here, they lie on top of my head. Listen to me, Kiro. I never die. I sit there awake. You cannot sit down here be rapping lies on top of my head and I go keep quiet. I go talk as he be. You dey hear am. Oga landlord, you see this woman. Now my husband I just dey respect. Because as she be like this, I know what to do to am. I just dey respect my husband. He don't reach the time where he be say the water where she dey find for this house, this compound, so I go give am water back and he go really hit am the way she no go expect am.
Y'all be that control long. Say so, just calm down, my wife. Baba landlord, mo bring kill you. I fear this woman. Oh, power you for the law. She lie pass whistle. Nobody tell her. Anyway, can you say tell me mba something? Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín fún, what I want to beg you for is that please do not quit Mr. Osondu here. Instead, me and my family we will pack out. Although I don't want to live far away from my shop. Taiwo, you are a very stupid man.
More than stupid.
I said you are a very stupid man.
More than stupid.
Look at this low budget portable.
Low
budget portable making me.
I hope you will know.
I will not mind that Oga landlord is here. I will lock my door, beat you very well like a child.
Even me.
Are you stupid?
I will jump.
You are shouting in my house.
I will jump.
Keep quiet.
Landlord say keep quiet.
Oga landlord, I beg, I need to say something right. Osondu just talk say he go lock door, beat my husband like say my husband na small pikin. No, as you keep face like pan wine tapper, you feel say they leave you go beat my husband. No, they ask you Osondu. You go beat my husband.
Osondu, kíkéré lábẹ́rẹ́ mi kéré kìí ṣe fún mú mi ẹ̀dìyẹ rẹ̀. If my needle small, your fowl cannot swallow my needle. That was of
We are talking about something very serious.
This one is here.
He's talking about needle. Before you know it, he start talking about food. This very stupid man.
Keep quiet and let me know what is going on.
Landlord say keep quiet.
Landlord, what I am saying is that someone cannot come from one foreign land into my land, my community for that matter, and try to subdue me. It will not happen. I will not let that happen.
Osondu, will you withdraw that statement now? Because I'm also a tenant in Lagos, living in somebody's house, but that does not make me a slave.
Guy, if you are a tenant in Lagos, it's not my business. What I'm saying, this is...
I said withdraw that statement this moment.
Okay,
landlord, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Your mother for you shall be well with you, sir. I want to clear air. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ. So those who do control more. Ọ̀nà ló jìn, ẹ̀rù ni bàbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún ẹ. It is road that is far. Even stranger, slave, they have father. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún ẹ.
Who is talking to you?
Oníwà tútù bí àdàbà ní ẹ̀bùn. Ẹ̀bùn is as calm as a dove. Àti wọ́n á sọ báyìí. Ẹ̀dá kan báyìí ṣe yóò dà fún that. Thank you.
Landlord, we have heard you. No problem. We'll live in peace.
You see, life should be lived and let's live.
Okay, what should be?
There is no one person that can fulfill the work alone.
Mazutru. They call you Mazutru, but I call you a chief. A double chief. When we come to that.
That's good.
Do you know why I respect you? Since I came to this locality or community, it's because you're well informed, you are educated, you've traveled some places.
Of course.
At least considering your wealth, I bow.
Thank you very
But there is no comparison between you and that your tenant, what do you call his name, Osondu?
Osondu, okay.
And his wife, Nkiru. They are myopic because they've never traveled out of their orbit, this community. They are local breeds.
Mr. Solomon, did you say they are
They are myopic. I said they are myopic. They are uneducated. They are uninformed. They are uncivilized. They are misguided. They are miscreants. They are, what would I say? They are everything. Because I'm angry.
Mr. Solomon.
Do you know why? Because I am angry because I hate intimidation. Assuming those two have traveled out of this place and see the world, they won't be behaving like wicked set of people. They are, what would I call them? Witchcraft, witches and wizards in operation. That's what I call them.
Mr. Solomon, this your English is beginning to get me. This is making me get worried now. I can't understand you anymore.
I'm angry.
You see, I am just ruminating over the myopic or so you said. Only for you to begin to add miss this, miss that to it.
I like your English. You are illuminating. You are thinking. Okay, now let me tell you something. I am going to tell Oson and his wife off. I am going to render them incommunicado. Oh. I am going to make sure that they are taught at. In short, I am going to ostracize them. Watch I am going to do everything to them because they are stupid, unbiased, and everything about them. They make me angry. Why would they be intimidating people? Intimidation is part of. Here I see. I am going. They are stupid and nobody. No set of
hey. You can imagine the English he has poured on my head this period. All those vocabs, how am I going to start learning them now? At my age to go to school? Well, whatever it is, I think he has just made a point. I'll think about it.
Stop tribalism. Stop war. Embrace peace.
Dear Neka, you don't want me to shift my attention to you. You don't want me to have any fight with you because you will not like me. Neka, I'm like thunder, fire and brimstone together, mixed with water. Neka, if I fire you, I will wash you down. Neka, don't try me, oh.
Nkiru.
Gene.
You are nothing but a knot in a circle. See, what you are in this town is what I am. But what I can do to you is what you don't even know. Don't try me. Don't try me.
Okay.
Look
at this idiot. You used to come and borrow a pencil from me to do makeup. You are the one now opening your mouth to run mouth. If I talk, you will talk. Because of Ofen Manu. No, you that is supposed to be my sister. Follow me, we will gang up and fight Ofen Manu. You are the one fighting me. Otolobawo Geba. Don't dance in any way, strike you dead.
It will strike you.
It will strike you dead.
It will strike you. Neka, why not make yourself available and travel out of this community and see how it will be? You think it's easy? Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
Let me ask you, you that have traveled out of this country, where has it landed you? People are talking about people that traveled. You are proud to say that you traveled. When you traveled, what did you achieve? Marriage, common marriage. Nobody has even come to do introduction. Not to even talk of coming to see your parents. You are telling me that you have traveled, talking to a married woman. Yes. Yes.
So if they are calling married woman, you will come aside. You are very stupid. Look at you. You think you have achieved marriage? Woohoo! What's the face of marriage? Where is the face of marriage? You think you have achieved?
Neka.
You are blindfolded, my dear. Metronu.
Neka.
You are mad, idiot,
you
local fool.
The only reason you are local.
Yes.
Neka, you are local. Nagi local. Negi local. Your ancestors local.
Your father local.
Your future children.
Your mother local.
Everybody in your family is
local.
The children you are carrying in your womb.
Your own you will not even carry. The one that doesn't come. Look at you. You are a local idiot.
The only reason I'm keeping you quiet is because this is Lent period. I don't like to fight. Gas stations of the cross. That is why I am keeping you quiet. Neka, if not, I swear, after Easter, if I'm Gemegi, no, Wamaka.
You say?
No, bet me!
I am betting you, see! Nkiru, you better see, I'm not a boy!
Neka, Kwamaka!
You see?
No, you bet me!
I bet you.
Neka, you want to fight?
Come and closer, let me see. Neka, give it.
Neka, you want to fight?
You think I'm a
Neka!
I will beat you, I will beat you blue black, you are mad.
Neka,
you think I'm a idiot? I'm married. Which marriage? This one I'm married.
Neka, you want to fight?
If this is what is married, you are still there talking to me.
Neka, you want to fight?
Talking to me,
Neka,
stupid girl. Think of him. Try me. You know how we save your Igbo. Try me.
Neka, you want to fight? No, come now. Come across this line. Come across.
Stop tribalism. Stop war. Embrace peace.
Alright, me to shop. Body me go. See my friend. My sister. My Ika.
How fun now?
How are you?
I'm fine, no. Where are you coming from?
I say make I visit the market to pick one or two, you know now.
So, how is the increase of food items in the market?
Alright, me no just go there. I say market himself shocked me today. Imagine a painter of Gary that I used to buy for 700 is now going for 1,300. The way the thing take jump, like say they do competition with people where they do jumping. If we continue like this, we not go fit make am again for this country.
My sister, the worst part of it is there's no solution. No solution.
In sight, money is coming, I don't reason this thing go up, come down. I can't tell my elder coming. I told him, allow me to go to the village with the children so I can continue with my farming. That way I can, the small money what they make from there, I go feed, they use them, they support them, because the way things be now, only one person no go fit carry family matter again.
Says who? We can only keep our hope in God. It's only God that will save us from this.
Baba me, Baba, Oluwa. Now you and your children, they no just let shame catch us. I beg we they beg you.
That reminds me. You see that idiot? That Nkiru, that Kwikwi. You see that idiot? Any day she comes, any day, morning or afternoon, night, any day she comes and give it to you. Stand for the occasion. Stand very well. Deal with her. If you know how to give her, give it to her.
She do anything. Not, she do anything again.
Are you asking me? Are you asking me? If not, she'll frustrate you.
She not go feel frustrate me. You know, I don't dey talk and say, when I see you, I go come thank you specially for standing up for me that time. If not be say you dey there as my witness. Now so my husband for descend on me, think he say I purposely go find a Ikiru's trouble.
My dear,
today.
I have talked to your husband to allow you deal with that idiot, because if you continue like this, she will frustrate you. Like she will frustrate you completely. Trust me.
Now God go save me, Now God go save me, because I know now as I won't begin they face Ikiru and her wahala for this town. I am nothing but a stranger.
Why?
I know say my husband one day he will try and protect me and the children. Because from the look of things, he be like they plan to gather.
Wait. Don't even go there. Says who? Says who?
With the fear.
So for the fact that you are not an indigene, mean they will come and beat you for what? I just gave it to the idiot a few hours ago. You need to see us. Imagine that idiot. She was coming to talk to me, insult me. I gave it to her. You know me now. Why can't they talk to me anyhow? For what? I not blame her now. I call her the deceiver.
I beg. I don't want to make you go begin the quarrel with her because of me. Because it go increase the threats.
Leave the idiot, I beg. So also, I want to go get something.
I mean, except I want to go because the children go down, they look for me.
Oh yeah, now.
You will come back later, you will come see me.
I will.
Okay, now, Remy. Thank you. Now God go they bless you, my sister.
You too, better person.
My sister.
Thank you.
Stop tribalism. Stop war. Embrace peace, Embrace peace and love. Farabale. We are one in the sight of God. No tribalism, no discrimination. We are one in the sight of God. No tribalism, no discrimination. It takes me long people.
My angels. You people are back already.
Yes, and our teacher said that we'll be starting our meet and break. Yeah, tomorrow, yes. Tomorrow.
Gege. This one you are about to start your meet and break. I hope you people will use this period to study very hard, Sha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my angels, you people should follow me. I bought something for you.
Yay! We are one in the sight of God. No tribalism, no discrimination. It takes me long people to go for this. This is ultimate.
I will call you like mosquito coil today. Just wait.
But foolish and selfish
Victory!
so what?
Bia, come here. Come. You want kneel down. I said kneel down there. Who gave you the granite that you are eating?
Mommy Samuel gave it to Bola and I.
Mommy Guinea?
Mommy Samuel gave it to Bola and I.
Mommy Samuel gave it to Bola and I. Yeah, Bola Tinubu. No! Ebola will kill you. You, Okwangiwa, you have long throats. You can beg for Africa. You eat anything that you see. Ne, you have long. And the way I'm seeing you, you'll become a thief in future. You were Rico one, mama. Because it's small from begging. Before you know, you start picking. Before you know, you turn to full-time arm robber. After I want you to stay away from that woman and her children. Ganata granite. No, you went to collect granite. Is it granite you have not eaten in your life before? I'm asking you, is it granite you have not eaten in your life before? Neku, the granite. Come on, give it to me. Come on.
Mommy, give me my granite.
I should give you your granite. I should give you your granite. Yeah, see, if I spank you with these slippers, if I flog you, you will not survive it. You will not survive it. Ngwa, that one in your mouth, vomit it. Ask him, come on, vomit it. Vomit it! See, if you form vomiting here now, if you form vomiting, I will form forming death for you. Because I will flog you to death. Vomit it! Ngwa, stand. Where is that idiot? Where is she? Oh! Thank God you are here. Because come out.
Pikin, now waiting, you call me.
Yes, I call you. At least I know sing. Now call, I call you. Bia, Ebu, how many times have I want you to stop buying things for my children? Are we beggars? Ebu, is there any time I've come to your door to come and say, Ebu, when you go out, buy something for my children, we are hungry. Did I beg you? Or you want to kill them? No, you want to eat my children, to poison them.
Ikiru, listen to me, Ikiru. I can take any nonsense from you, but you see you accusing me of wanting to kill your children. I will never take that one. I mean, make anybody wey know you want you. I want to kill children wey be my own children too. Why I go and kill them? They are my children too.
Which your children? No, how many months you carry them? Where you born them? Which hospital? Who push them?
No problem.
Or was there a time I was in the hospital pushing and I beg you to come and help me push? How are they your children, Ebu? I am asking you. Ebu, Biko. Echichuku where yogi do. Leave my children alone. Don't buy them biscuit again. They don't want. Don't buy them anything. Mother Christmas. Mother Teresa. Don't buy. We don't. And listen, let me tell you. I am a bona fide indigene of this community. If you like, carry your witchcraft from east to west, from north to south, my dear, you will not do anything to me. You cannot harm my children. You cannot harm me. Don't buy anything for my children again.
Ikiru, if you dey fly for night, as which way you talk say you be, that one na concern you. Me, I know they follow you fly. You know they see me for una cover meeting. I mean, you don't ever see me. Listen to me. This thing where you dey call na nonsense, so na nonsense you just dey talk. Because me, Ebu, anytime when I go market, see wetin I feel say the children go like, I must buy and come give them. Yes, so because as you don't conclude for your mind, say I be your number one enemy. I know even as I know they see you as my enemy, I cannot carry that thing to the children. I am not fighting with them. Okay. I will always buy them wetin they like. Okay. So you better start dealing with it, Omo Igbo.
I see what you are trying to do. Challenge. You want to do challenge. East and West. Yoruba and Igbo, get ready for this war. No, Ebu, get ready for this war because by the time I come with my fire, by the time I come with my wrath, Ebu, you will not recognize yourself.
You know, every time you go they talk, they shake head like headless chicken. We don't know where they're cutting head through way. I just they look you because in your mind, this your small mind now. You feel say you get where they pass me. You know, no say my own way na double times 2 of waiting you think say you get my own na where they promise. And you know one see ya. The way you they push me, If you push me reach where I no go feel hold myself again and unleash the dragon, I tell you where alone, you no go fit take am o. You no go fit take am o. I don dey warn you. Na my husband I dey respect. If not be for my husband, you for don see madness.
Why you come dey
You for don me I be omo Yoruba.
No, why you dey shift?
Na you carry your trouble from your house.
Why I no go carry am? I no tell you before so make you no dey buy things for my children.
Don't come here come warn me nonsense next time.
I go warn you. I go warn you. I dey talk you dey shift 360.
No problem.
Come near me now.
No problem.
Ebu.
Ikiru.
Leave my children alone.
Ikiru, I no go
leave my children alone.
They be my children too.
No sense.
As you dey fight yourself, na yourself alone you dey fight. Me and the children no dey follow fight. I go dey give them. Listen to me, this Igbo woman. Make you notice say my quietness mean say I dey weak. I am not weak o. I go throw away caution for west and deal with you the way you no go like am. Na my husband dey make me dey calm down. Notice say as I come here like this say I no get mouth or I no get people. I know who I be. Na condition make crayfish bend. You no wan see me o. Because if you unplug me from this wire wey dey plug me, you no go like am. Because I go shock you.
Osondo, please take these sticks. This is the wet one and this is the dry one. Biko, take it to Taiwo. Tell him to warn his wife. Nah.
Why this warning by this time now?
That is because his wife will not allow me rest. Every time this woman goes to the market, Onata, you see her, she'll start calling my children one by one. Yes, happiness, that's how she gather them and start sharing chingom, biscuits, sweets, I know that's how they introduce children to witchcraft. I don't know if she wants to carry them to her coven or something. I don't understand.
Why she always buying some things for our kids now? What's her plan?
My dear, I don't know. Stay away from my children is now a big deal to her. Yeah.
No, I don't like this. I don't like this. I will go and warn Taiwo to tell his wife to stop this nonsense.
Warn him. The funny thing is that this Taiwo man used to be a very, very nice man. Very good man until he married that witch. That overripe papa into this compound. Everything just changed. The moment she stepped her foot inside this gate, the color of the grass changed from green to brown. The water in the well changed. The one flowing in the tap changed. We went from Harmattan to wet season. I don't just understand that woman's witchcraft. It is very strong, go. So you better go and warn him for me. Biko.
I'm sure she came into this compound with her bad luck.
I'm telling you.
I don't even know why I accepted this Taiwo guy into this compound. I don't know. I'm just tired of this nonsense.
I'm still complaining. Go and warn this man. Go and warn him.
I will go and warn him.
This one you are walking slow. Walk fast now. Yeah? This warning is specially for you. You give one victory. You keep face like soured milk. This warning is for you. I have warned you to stop collecting anything from Ebu or having anything to do with her children, but you will not listen. You will not listen. This girl, I will tie you and take you to an orphanage home. What is wrong with you?
Mommy, they are our friends now, but we will not collect anything from them. We will not.
Yes, it's true. We will not collect one single thing from them.
You not collect one single thing? Nah, what am I just saying? No, backslide for me here to tell me that you not collect anything. You people are just friends. Become enemies. Become enemies. I don't want to see you with that woman's children. No, okay, as you are now, you just want to sign your death warrant. You are consenting to somebody killing you.
I don't want to die. You
don't know Ebu is a witch.
Witch?
Have you not asked yourself why one of your ears is bigger than the other one? That woman has been sucking your blood though. And by the time you continue staying with her, she will suck you. Before you know now, your ear will go. Both ears will go. Like that, she will suck you until she suck you to your feet.
God forbid, mommy.
Because to God forbid now, you will not take caution.
She will go to a fire.
So you will stay away from Ebu, her children, and anything that concerns her. Next, you pink. You that is wearing pink. Now check FM now, malo. You are asking questions.
It's true, your ear is big.
And what was the meaning of that thing your wife did? Huh? How does she see my family? I don't understand. Or is she indirectly calling us beggars?
Hey, Oh no. Also do my friend and my neighbor. See, my wife means no harm. Really, yes. You see, her liberal nature is from her background. And your dad level. No, she's a good person.
Taiwo, who is laughing with you? Are you seeing my teeth? Do you think I'm joking here? No, I don't understand now. Oh, I get. It is obvious this is how you people operate here. Your wife is a destiny stealer and she wants to steal my children's destiny. Eh? Are you saying eh? What's wrong with you? Are you going to go? Taiwo.
Èmi ló lẹ́nu gbàgà bí silencer tó ń jò tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí. It is me, Taiwo, that you open your mouth gbàgà like a exhaust where that is leaking. I am not queer. Who give you that liver? What's wrong with you? See, you are an adult and I expect you to talk cautiously when you are speaking.
My friend, will you shut up? I said shut up, you're very stupid. I said you're very, very stupid, my friend. Listen, warn your wife. The next time I hear she gives anything to any of my child, I swear to God you have me to contend with. Hey, I'm talking and you're bagara.
What's wrong with you?
Are you stupid?
You!
Who do you think you're talking to?
You are talking to a man like yourself, let me remind you. But I will get home now and warn my wife. But let me remind you, see, the next time you come to my shop, what's wrong with you? To come and do this type of thing, I will show you the stuff I am made of. My geology, my geology.
You're stupid. What are you made of? Come and fight.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
Idiots.
Nobody. So you give you liver to push me from my chest like this, what's wrong with you? In my shop.
My friend, if you say rubbish now, I'll use this thing and break your head.
You also do, you
stupid man.
Who gives you liver to talk to me that way that you want to storm me in my own shop? What's wrong with you? Now let me tell you, I will allow you to go free just because of you are here for the first time to do this kind of a thing. Next time, my geology, I will show you the stuff I am made of. You swell up like bread and a church water. My geology next time. Toba Tuabi. What are you doing? You have the liver to come into my shop and come and be threatening me. God damn for
wise people look for peace, but foolish and selfish people, they look for war all the time. But it takes only a fool to scatter the whole nation. This is ultimate, yo. The wise people look for peace, but foolish and selfish people, they look for war.
Samu. Hey, Brother Levi, Victory baby. I can see you are enjoying your play.
Yes. Daddy, what do you buy for us?
Victory, you see, I just came to pick up something from the house. I'm still going back to the shop.
Okay, when you come back, what will you get for us?
Hey, Samu.
Daddy, buy us biscuits. No, sweets.
Bread.
Biscuits.
Bread.
Biscuits. Bread. Biscuits. Bread. Biscuits.
Okay, it's okay. See, when I'm coming back, Bola, Samu and Victory, I will buy all of you biscuits, sweets, bread, even ice cream. Yes! So you push, you continue with your play. Let me rush inside and pick up that thing and go back. I'll buy everything for you people.
Okay, Daddy. This stick now. Okay, look at the stick there. Look at the stick there. It's your turn. It's your turn. It's your turn. Catch it. Catch the stick. Take it.
How can just somebody tell me? How can? What is also turning this compound into? How will someone be giving his own children or our own children food and you not give to another person? How can that be possible? How can? Ebu? No, tell me now, how can that be possible?
Your water.
Tell me, Ebu, how can that be possible?
Okami, you can ask that question again. No, ask me, tell me how I will be eating and her children will be watching me.
It is not possible. Oh my girl. Oh my former titi and you not give other people children food. It is not possible.
Drink water, calm down, drink water first.
Ma gbà mí o. Ta ló máa wá gbà mí lọ́wọ́ o so ndu o ma jokuta ma mo mi. Who will deliver me from this hand of this Igbo boy in this compound? How can? Ìyàwó mi.
No, see me see trouble. So I will not be eating and our children will be watching me. I will not give to them. What did I do to them?
It is not possible. That will not be possible. Do you know why? Because it is not in our nature and our culture.
It's not in our culture, Okami. That That is not who I am.
Tó máa jẹun. Ó fọmọ tiẹ̀ lóúnjẹ. Ó ní fún ọmọ tó kù lóúnjẹ. Giving your own children food and you don't give another person's children food. It is not possible.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ẹ̀bùn. So what are we going to do now? Because I am tired of this Osondu. Yes. What is the solution now?
Okomi. The only solution we have now is either to go back to the village or we move out of this compound.
Eh? Ebun. That is totally out of it, oh. Because I cannot allow you and my children to go back to the village. I cannot allow the both of you out of my sight. I will not do that. Because Ojulala Kofin, sorry. You see that crab that come out from river with the two eyes up like this, like antenna. It is that eye that crab will use in guiding itself. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni Ebun. So sending you and my children to the village because of this this Igbo boy, that is totally out of it. I will not do that.
Oh, my Igbo don't want us to rest.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o.
Hey. Taiwo. Taiwo coming. A coward dies 20 times before their death. Shotigbo.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo gbọ́ ya.
I know what to do.
Bẹ̀tẹ̀ ìyàwó mi, jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run o. Any decision you are going to take, make sure that we use wisdom o. Because this Omo Ajokuta Mamomi, this Osondu, is a very dangerous person. So we have to tread with caution. So think about me by nítorí Ọlọ́run.
I will drink your water. Drink water before you choke. You are talking too much. Drink water.
Hey!
Taiwo.
Ma la ẹni gbọ́ o pé mo fẹ́ wẹ̀. Ìwọ máa dánwò máa wò máa yẹ̀yẹ́ ń bí o.
I will kill this boy.
Máa yẹ̀yẹ́ ń bí o. Mo sọ fún ẹ o. Máa yẹ̀yẹ́ ń bí o.
What do you want to do?
Máa yẹ̀yẹ́ ń bí o.
No, wait. What do you want to do?
Òkèrè.
See, I will beat you.
Ìwọ náà. Olólù.
Hey.
Kéré.
Look at this.
Ìwọ.
Look at this small man.
Ìwọ. Olólù.
Come on.
Ìwọ. Ajaya mi.
Kill you now.
Ìwọ. Ẹ fẹ́ jọmọ mi. Ìwọ náà gẹ́dá mi.
You want to blow me? No, you want to blow me. I'm asking you, Taiwo. Who are you posing for?
If I pose for you,
me and my husband. Listen, I have been here. I've been hearing you ranting, shouting, bringing down the whole place. Neko, Oga, you better respect yourself in this compound. Respect your little self in this compound. Else, if I if I blow you, Taiwo, if I blow you, you will not survive it.
You kill him.
It is this one.
Don't blow him.